Hey guys, so today I'll be making Cajun roast chicken with a crunchy citrus salad, perfect for summer. So firstly, I'll be using the braai pack. Now the one thing about using chicken that is on the bone is that it imparts so much more flavor as opposed to using the chicken fillets. So all we've got to do is make a quick marinade with some Cajun spice, some smoked paprika, garlic, coriander, and some salt and pepper and olive oil. So make sure to mix it through nicely so that it coats evenly before popping it into our baking tray. Place your grapefruit and orange slices at the bottom of the baking tray, and what's nice about that is that the chicken then steams in those beautiful citrus juices. Nestle those beautiful chicken pieces on top of your citrus slices, and don't forget to spoon over that remaining marinade. So this goes into the oven at 180 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes until cooked through and perfectly golden. For the crunch element of this dish, I'm going to be making herby croutons using ciabatta chunks. Now you can of course use regular white bread if you prefer, but I just love the texture of ciabatta. Simply pop your herb croutons into the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes until beautifully golden and crispy. I love using pickled red onions for salads simply because they not only add color but also texture and acidity. Simply heat up your vinegar and sugar together, pour over your sliced onions, and then set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to pickle gently. For the salad, I'm keeping it quite simple using some butter lettuce, sliced citrus, radish, tomatoes, and of course our pickled red onions and our herby croutons. Oh, this looks and smells absolutely amazing. So this is exactly what you want. So all that's left to do is simply plate up, dish up your salad, and then dig in and enjoy. Don't forget to drizzle over the chicken with those accumulated pan drippings. Your family will love it.